Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Kanta ko. Ang arte niya talaga. Hoy, binigyan ko kayo pang Jollibee. Ako na.
Sana mag-ihat ka sa happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay na?
Mabay na.
Nag-bloopers pa.
Uy!
Happy birthday, Kayla. Happy birthday, Kayla. Happy birthday, Kayla. Happy birthday, Kayla.
Okay na.
Hi, Kayla. Happy birthday. Ano yung mawin ko sa'yo? Nasa iyo na lahat. Good health na lang. Pa-sexy ka pa para maging, maging FA ka na. Tapos, yun nga, nasa iyo na nga lahat. May work ka, tapos may happy love life mo ka. So, ano po bang mahiling ko? So, happy birthday.
Hi, Kayla. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. God bless you. I hope to see you soon. Bye.
And happy birthday. Stay pretty and kind.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day, Jane, and more blessings. Stay happy and good health for you. Miss you, love you. Ano ba yan? Paano nyo nakontak yung
Happy birthday! Bitch! Happy birthday! Surprise ka! I love you! And the birthday wish for you is all the love in your life and happiness with it. Stay healthy and you know, I'm so thankful for our friendship. Thank you, babe. And I miss you so much. I love you, bitch. See you again. See you soon. I love you. Bye. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Oh my God.
Bye. Happy birthday, Jane. I wish you all the best in your career. Tsaka sa love life mo. Thank you sa lahat ng mga pasalubong mo sa akin, tsaka sa gift. Happy birthday! God bless you!
Birthday, Tata Jane.
I love you! I love you!
Thank you.
I love you! I love you!
Hello, Jane. I'm borrowing my friend's cell phone because I don't know how to use my own phone. Anyway, I'd just like to take this opportunity to greet you today a very happy birthday. And I wish you more happiness in your life, more blessings for you and your family, and that I hope that you will achieve all your dreams in your life. And I'm very happy that you are my son's loved one, and you are special to me because my son is special to me too. I hope that you will enjoy today's birthday. I'd like to take this opportunity also to thank you for the little things that you do for us. Thank you very much. I appreciate them and I treasure them. Thank you and good luck. I love you. See you soon.
Ano ka pala sa Northwest ng ate mo? Sayang, hindi ka nakauwi. Ingat ka palagi. I love you.
Anyari. Anyari.
Ano ba yun?
Pero konti na lang yun.
Teka na.
Okay.
Sige, sabi na.
May isa pa kami surprise.
Nandiyan naman yung shoes ko.
Pereng.
Anuhin na lang.
Hindi, nag-ano point 2. Dapat
Walang silip ah. Walang silipan. Magtiwala ka.
Happy birthday, Jan Din. O, saan? Yung alam.
Sige, tanggalin mo na. Uy, electric fan yan.
Bawal.
Bakit niya umuwi? Sabi ko mag-irap na ito.
Miyerkules. Ay, Huwebes.
Nandito ka lang. Wala akong kasama doon. Ito na yun, yung mga picture. Ano yung pinakala mo pa dito?
Parang hindi ka naman na-surprise.
Ano to, bisigan mo to? Yung nandun sa bahay niya.
Pinadala ko pa dito yan.
Pinadala niya dito. May isa pa.
Di ba? Nasa akin to. Oo.
May isa pa kami surprise.
Ano?
Sa kwarto. Tulog ka lang.
Hindi, doon.
Saan?
Ito magbo-blow?
Uy, blow ng candle.
Ah,
Wala na.